Today, I'm going to school, and I have a feeling it's going to be a great day. I wonder what we'll discover today. You know, every school day is a little bit different. Sometimes we learn something new, sometimes we make a mistake, and that's okay. And sometimes we make a brand new friend.
Hi!
And sometimes all three happen on the very same day. Hey, would you like to come to school with me? Awesome! Let's go!
Walking feet in the hall, being friendly, kind to all. Raise your hand, wait your turn. That's the way we help and learn. School rules, practice every day. Curious and kind, as we learn and play. Listening ears, helping hands, doing the best we can. School rules, growing more each day. Keep your hands to yourself, pick things up, put them on the shelf. Take a breath if feelings grow, use kind words wherever we go. School rules, practice every day. Curious and kind, as we learn and play. Listening ears, helping hands, doing the best we can. School rules, growing more each day.
Welcome to my classroom. Let me introduce you to my teacher. Good morning, Mrs. Hanson. These are my friends. They're here to learn with us today. Each morning when we come into the classroom, we hang up our coats just like we do at home. We take our shoes off and we put our bags into our cubbies. Putting our things away helps us to keep our classroom clean and ready for learning. Looks like it's time for our morning meeting. This is one of my favorite parts of the day. We get to hear what everyone has to share. I already have so much I want to tell everyone. I had pancakes for breakfast, I'm wearing my brand new sneakers, and I had the funniest dream last night. There was a dolphin who could do backflips! Oh, somebody else is sharing. That's okay, I can wait my turn. I wonder what they have to share.
Marigold, would you like to share?
Oh, looks like it's my turn. Hi, everybody. Last night, I had a dream about a dolphin who could do backflips. You know, I'm really glad I waited to share. Now I get to hear my friend's story and tell my story too.
All right, class, it's time for adventure play.
Ooh, it's time for adventure play. Come on, let's go. What should I do? Some friends are painting. Some friends are reading books. Some friends are doing puzzles and... Wait, what's that? Oh, they're building a town. There's a bakery, a little park, trees, tiny houses, and even a duck pond. It's a whole town. Oh, look, they're making a river too. I really want to play, but everybody already looks so busy. Have you ever felt like that? Like everybody else knew what they were doing, but you weren't sure how to join in? Wait a second. The train can't get across the river without a bridge. I think I have an idea.
I see you building something new. Blocks and bridges, train tracks too. I take a breath, know what to do. Hi, friend. Can I play with you? Can I play? Can I play? Can I play with you today? We ask with kindness, that's what we do. Hi, friend. Can I play with you? Sometimes it's hard to say hello to a brand new friend we don't yet know. But if we're brave and ask it too, we might hear, come play with us too. Can I play? Can I play? Can I play with you today? We ask with kindness, that's what we do. Hi, friend, can I play with you?
Hi, I'm building?
Thanks, we're building Tiny Town.
Tiny Town? That's the perfect name. Hey, I noticed the train gets to the river and then it doesn't have anywhere to go. Would it help if we built a bridge together?
We were just saying we needed one. Do you want to help?
I'd love to help. The bridge connects the bakery to the train station. And now people can visit the library. And look, the train can finally cross the river. Chugga, 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 choo, choo. Here comes the Tiny Town Express. Uh-oh. My tummy feels funny. I bumped the table and knocked over Tiny Town. MJ and Anita, I'm so sorry. It was an accident.
That's okay. We can build it again. We can make it even better.
Even better? Really?
Yeah!
Sometimes things don't go the way we planned. But if we work together, they can turn out even better than we imagined. Look at the new Tiny Town. This version has flowers, a little bench, a clock tower. Wow! I think it looks even better than before. And it's all thanks to a happy accident.
All right, class, 5 more minutes. Then it's time to clean up.
5 minutes? Already? The bakery still needs a sign, the flower shop needs a roof, and I was going to build a lighthouse. Have you ever been having so much fun that you wished you could just slow time down? Me too.
Cleanup time.
I wish I had a little longer, but when our teacher says it's time, that means it's time. See you tomorrow, Tiny Town. Sometimes cleaning up doesn't mean the fun's over. Sometimes it means we're just getting ready for the next thing to come our way. Wow, what a wonderful day. You know, this morning at school, it looked like everybody else had a place. Everyone seemed to know exactly what they were doing. And I wasn't sure where I fit in. But then I watched, I noticed, I asked, and suddenly I wasn't standing on the outside anymore. I was helping to build Tiny Town. Today we built something new, we fixed a mistake, we helped our classroom, and we cleaned up together. I guess that's what a classroom is, a place where everyone has a place. And everybody helps one another be a little bit better. Thanks so much for coming to school with me today. I had so much fun with you. But for now, goodbye, goodbye to you, my friend. I hope to see you again. Goodbye, goodbye to you, my friend. Thanks for coming to play.